Hello, I noticed your question on the discussion board. It's from 8.4, which is inverse variation. There's two ways to work these. I guess I tend to work them y equal k over x is the equation for inverse variation. We got a fan pulley and an alternator. I guess they're connected by a belt on the automobile engine. The fan pulley is 240 centimeters in diameter. I'll let that be x. The alternator pulley is 160 centimeters in diameter. If the fan pulley turns at 360 RPMs, I'll let that be y. Then how many revolutions does the alternator? So this is the alternator and this is the fan. The fan's diameter is 240 centimeters and it's turned at 360 RPMs. So you can put it into this equation and find K. So I put in 240 for X and 360 for Y. Then I multiply both sides by 240 and K comes out to 86,400. So then I come back to the original equation and I put that in for K. Then on the second part, we're given the alternator is 160 centimeters and we want to find Y, or we want to find the revolutions per minute. So I put in 160 for X, divide, I end up with 540 revolutions per minute. Hope this helps.